You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this phrase, this full title correctly in English. So Queen, you already know how to say Queen, right? Then her main name is pronounced either Nzinga, replacing the Z with a J, and that's the more African Swahili pronunciation. So Nzinga. In English it's commonly said as Nzinga. So the two pronunciations exist and are correct. It's not just one is African, the other is English. So Queen Nzinga or Nzinga of Ndongo and Matamba. It's pretty straightforward once you know. Queen Nzinga of Ndongo and Matamba. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.